Where to find easy mode and enable easy mode for your Samsung phone with Android 16 One UI 8.0. To find and enable easy mode, you can use the quick access and look for the settings toggle found at the top right here. Now, once you're in this area here, you can always use the search option here and type in the words easy mode. This is the fastest way to find it or to know if your phone has it. And once you start typing it, you will see the suggestion. It is part of the display settings, so you can always go into that here. And as you enter there, it will go straight to where you need to go next. And easy mode is here. Then from here, as you turn it on, it's going to rearrange everything on your phone, make all the icons on your phone big and all that stuff. So once you turn it on, you can see here, it's going to show you this here. You also have a few more options such as touch and hold and a high contrast and all that stuff here. All right, so let's just say we go back to the home screen here, and you will notice now that your icons are very big. And that's basically what easy mode does. Okay, all the icons are going to be really huge. And of course, if you like it, you can just go ahead and keep it that way. Now, if you do decide to come out of easy mode, you can always go back into the settings with the quick access or settings here. Then just either search it in the settings or go into display and go down and look for easy mode. And once you re-enter here, you can just simply turn it off from here and all your icons will be back to normal, like in so.